I am Dilip Adani, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today in multiple integrals, I will teach you new topic, that is double integrals in polar coordinates. So let's start. So first of all, we will see double integrals in polar coordinates. The integration from theta equals to theta 1 to theta equals to theta 2, integration from r equals to f1 of theta to r equals to f2 of theta, f of r comma theta dr d theta represents the polar form of double integration. This integral is first integrated with respect to r, keeping theta constant, and then the resulting expression is integrated with respect to theta. Now we will see examples related to this topic. Evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 4, integration from 0 to 1, r dr d theta. This is the limit of r, and the limit of r is from 0 to 1. This is the limit of theta, and the limit of theta is from 0 to pi by 4. So here is the solution. Integration from 0 to pi by 4, integration from 0 to 1, r dr d theta. This is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 and integration from 0 to 1, r dr d theta. So first of all, we will integrate r with respect to r. So this is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4. Now integration of r is to 1, that is r square by 2, and the limit is from 0 to 1. d theta will be as it is. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4. For upper limit 1, r square by 2 will become 1 by 2. Then after minus sign, for lower limit 0, r square by 2 will become 0, and no need to write down 0. So the result is 1 by 2, and this d theta will be as it is. Now half will be as it is, and integration of 1 with respect to theta, that is theta, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 4, and this is equals to 1 by 2 will be as it is. Now for upper limit pi by 4, replacing theta by pi by 4, so it is pi by 4, and replacing theta by 0 for lower limit, so it will become 0, and pi by 4 minus 0, that is pi by 4. Now this is equals to pi by 8. So this is the answer of this integration. Now we have this second example. Evaluate integration from 0 to pi, integration from 0 to sine theta, r dr d theta. Here the limit of r is from 0 to sine theta, and the limit of theta is from 0 to pi. So here is the solution. Integration from 0 to pi, integration from 0 to sine theta, r dr d theta. So this is equals to integration from 0 to pi. First of all, we will integrate the function r with respect to r, then after with respect to theta. So we have integration from 0 to sine theta, r dr, and this d theta will be as it is. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to pi. Now integration of r is to 1, that is r square by 2, and the limit is 0 to sine theta. This d theta will be as it is. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to pi. This half will be as it is. Now for upper limit sine theta, replacing r by sine theta, so it is sine square theta. Then after minus sign, replacing r by 0, so that is 0. So the result is sine square theta, and this d theta will be as it is. Now we will integrate half sine square theta with respect to theta. So half will be as it is. Integration from 0 to pi. We cannot integrate sine square theta directly. So we have one formula of sine square theta, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, and this d theta will be as it is. Now this is equals to 1 upon 2 into 2, that is 4. Now integration of 1 with respect to theta, that is theta. Then after this minus sign. Now integration of cos 2 theta, that is sine 2 theta by 2. and the limit is from 0 to pi, and this is equals to 1 upon 4. Now for upper limit pi, replacing theta by pi, so it is pi minus sine 2 pi by 2, and if you will replace theta by 0 for lower limit, so this one will become 0 and the value of sine 0 is 0, so no need to write down 0. Now we will simplify this result, and as all of you know, the value of sine 2 pi is 0, so this term will be eliminated, and this is equals to pi into 1 by 4. So the result is pi by 4. So this is the answer of this double integration. Now this is the example 3. Evaluate double integration of r cube sine 2 theta dr d theta over a given region R, and that is over the area bounded in the first quadrant between the circles r equals to 2 and r equals to 4. So here the limits of the integrations are not defined to us, but instead of that we have given two circles. One is r equals to 2 and other is r equals to 4. So with the help of these two circles, first of all we have to evaluate the limit of theta and the limit of r. So here is the solution. The region of the integration is the interior of the circles between r equals to 2 to r equals to 4. And r, that is nothing but square root of x square plus y square. If you will replace this r by square root of x square plus y square, and then after squaring both sides you will get x square plus y square equals to 4. So that is nothing but the equation of a circle having center 0, 0 and radius equals to 2. Similarly, r equals to 4, that is nothing but the equation of a circle having center 0, 0 and radius equals to 4. And the region of integration, that is the interior part of the circle between r equals to 2 to r equals to 4. Draw the elementary radius vector OAB from the origin which enters in the region from the circle r equals to 2 and leaves at the circle r equals to 4. I will show you this point in the diagram. So from the diagram we will be having limits of r, that is r is from 2 to r equals to 4. Limits of theta, that is equals to theta equals to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. So the given integration, that is equals to double integration of r cube sine 2 theta dr d theta over a given region R, which is bounded by two circles r equals to 2 to r equals to 4 in the first quadrant. So here is a diagram. This is the circle having center 0, 0 and radius equals to 2, and this is a circle having center 0, 0 and radius equals to 4, and the area bounded by these two circles in the first quadrant, that is this one, and for this area you can see that theta will vary from 0 to pi by 2, and you have to draw this an elementary strip, that is OAB, and from this elementary strip we will be in a position to find out the limits of R. You can see that this is our region of integration. So at this point R will be 2 and at this point R will be 4. So value of R will vary from 2 to 4. Hence the limit of theta is from 0 to pi by 2 and the limit of R is from 2 to 4. So this is equals to, this is the limit of theta, that is integration from 0 to pi by 2, and this is the limit of R, that is integration from 2 to r cube sine 2 theta dr d theta. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 into bracket integration from 2 to 4 r cube dr, and over here we have sine 2 theta d theta Here we are going to integrate this function with respect to r, keeping sine 2 theta constant. So this is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2. Now integration of r cube, that is r is to 4 upon 4 and the limit is from 2 to 4. This sine 2 theta d theta will be as it is. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2. Now we have to simplify this function by taking upper limit 4 and the lower limit 2. Now for upper limit 4, it is 4 is to 4 upon 4, that is 4 is to 3 and that is 64. Then after minus sign, for lower limit r equals to 2, it is 2 raised to 4, that is 16, and 16 divided by 4, that is 4. And this sine 2 theta d theta will be as it is. Now 64 minus 4, that is equals to 60. And integration of sine 2 theta, that is minus cos 2 theta by 2, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2, and this is equals to, if you will divide 60 by 2, that is 30, and this minus sign will be as it is. Now for upper limit pi by 2, it will become cos 2 into pi by 2, so 2 will cancel out, so it is cos pi. Then after minus sign, replacing theta by 0, so it is cos 0. Now this is equals to minus 30, and the value of cos pi is minus 1, and the value of cos 0 is 1. Minus 1 minus 1, the result is minus 2. Now we will multiply this minus 2 by minus 30, so the result is 60. So this is the answer of given double integration. So in today's lecture, we have discussed how to find out the double integration in polar coordinates, and we have gone through 3 examples related to this topic. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next lecture.